Gavana kaonti mano ma Migori mano Ochilo Ayacko loso gisani ka entiere committee kaonti mano ma Nairobi ka mano committee mochungne wechego mano mar Public Affairs Committee.
The ECD 3-door pit latrine we construct at a cost of between 300 and 400,000 Kenya shillings. The construction is done on a labor-based arrangement as provided in Annex number 6. The Annex number 6 is there. There is the one that is provided above 6A.
The bills of quantities.
Bills of quantities. 6A. So that is the information. Response to item number 7. Sample photo of an ECD center is provided at Annex number 7A. Sample photo of ECD classroom. The management provides a sample photo of a classroom at Annex 7B. And then the management provides a sample photo of ECD furniture as provided in Annex number 7C. Item number 8, budget allocation for the mentioned financial years with the corresponding actual expenditures provided in Annex 8. So we have provided this information: financial year 2022-23, budget extract. It's annexed 8A.
They didn't tag all of this 8A, 8B is not there.
It's not, the 8A is not tagged, but it's above the one that is tagged 8B. A set of that document, then
Your Excellency, you must agree with me that it will be very difficult to interrogate these documents, because when we come back to ask and we've noted down the questions, tracing back the annexes is proving to be very difficult. Members, Honorable Senators, how do you want us to continue? Have you managed, Senator Muma?
Struggling. Do they have more tags in their files? Because they will stand and actually do a few, how many? Do 7 9s, 6 A's and come and help us put them. No. Yes. Otherwise, you are actually, the chair is being very polite. I want the chair to send you back home.
With your leave, can I ask my Director of Education to point out?
Nyakwara mugajong mano Gavana kaonti ma Migori Ochilo Ayacko ka entiere nyim committee mar Senate mano committee mano mar Public Account Committee kama koro oduoko penjo makoni kod kocha kotudore kod kaka osebed ka itiyo kod omenda kaonti mano ma Migori. Chenro makamano jafwambo marwa ntiere kuro kendo matuto bobedo kawa winjo weche manyien mamoko kata duto mago odiochieng' makawuono kochakore weche manyien mag migago. Adwa nwadhi mbele kod